Hey folks, Back Eye Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. Going to take up the Avanti S. This is the maiden on the IX-14 with my 80 millimeter FREEWING Avanti S version 2. Right, left, up, down, left.
Take off, land, flaps up.
My flaps. They have split flaps. Let's take a look at them.
Take off flap, landing flap, flaps up.
All right, got a FREEWING afterburner. It came with it, or I bought with it. Eventually, I'm going to switch it out to the KM model afterburner, but not for right now. For right now, I'm just fine. All right, a little bit of a cross breeze, but you know, hey, timer set for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Filming on my Galaxy 23 Ultra, mounted to my forehead. All right. Let's see what we can do. I've got running a 5000 Hobby King graphene battery. I think it's Hobby King or Turnigy graphene battery. Let's see how that does.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Running my mid-range, which is 85% throws. Now this plane doesn't have any kind of gyro or stabilization of any type. And I'm running a Lemon RX 7-channel non-stabilized receiver. Great flying plane. Boy, this will make your heart pump here. Yeah.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah. This plane will make your heart pump.
Gear down. Take off landing flaps.
Get lined up with the runway. Didn't like it, so I'm gonna go around. Okay.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Braking.
All right.
Flaps up. Brakes off.
I like my mid rates. Let me make sure of my rates here. Yeah, 80% over 30% expo, not 85. Okay, all the way around. And that's plenty reactive. Plenty reaction. All right, here we go again. I keep saying I'm going to put a stabilized receiver in her, but she doesn't need it. Yep.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Start slowing my roll down.
Landing flaps.
There we go.
Braking. Brakes off.
Brakes are very, very
Flaps up.
effective because it has no cheaters. All that thrust goes straight down
30
the
seconds.
either out the tailpipe or straight down the front inlets for your braking. So if you brake too hard, watch what'll happen here. Watch.
Braking.
You kind of notice here. Hold on.
Braking.
If you kind of notice, let me back up. I want to show you something. This is important.
Brakes off.
Okay, watch.
Braking.
Well, it's not really showing it. What if you're coming in, you're landing, you're really wanting to slow her down, you really hit them brakes hard, that nose will nose in a little bit.
Brakes off.
And I've actually had the front nose hit because I brake so hard that it starts dipping down. So brake a little more gradual with this plane. All right.
Motor off.
Now I have absolutely no telemetry whatsoever. So I can't tell if I had any frame losses or anything, because all I got is dashboard and monitor. That's all I got. So it doesn't tell me, because I haven't, like, you had to have telemetry in order to know that, at least as far as I know. But let's take a look. Prop is off. I think I turned the prop off. Yeah, prop's off. Show you my setup. Now that little antenna there, that's not come with it. I put that on so I grab a hold of the battery hatch. All of this is plastic. All of this is plastic, so you don't really have to worry about it. But around it is not plastic. So if you start digging at the cap, trying to pull it up, because if it's too tight, then you're going to dig it with your fingernails. So that's the graphene battery. That is that Turnigy. Let me unplug the afterburner, and let's see how much is left in the tank after flying for a full 3 minutes. 2 takeoffs, 2 landings. I am not used to how you hold this checker. Okay. So, anytime we have a long delays, still got 52%, but that's okay. I'm not going to go up again. I think I had my timer set, if I remember right. Had 7. Okay, I had the timer set for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. I had 7 seconds left. So we flew for a full 4 minutes, and she still got 50%. So you could fly with that graphene battery in there. You could fly for, what, 5 minutes? Which is a long time with a jet. Okay, let me show you this battery. Comes with an XT90, just so you're aware. And I got it from, obviously I got it from Hobby King. They ran it on sale, but not every day you can pick up a 5,000, this is a graphene, Turnigy graphene, with a 45C discharge 6S 5000 graphene battery. And I could run this plane for over 5 minutes, I guess. Looks like I could on this battery, 5,000, run her hard. And this battery was under $50. I want to say I paid like $45 for it. And that is an incredible price. And so if you take good, even the cheaper brand batteries like Turnigy, if you take good care of them, keep them discharged when you're not using them, you know, down below 50 if you can, which I'll probably discharge us down to about 30%. Keep them down there to anywhere between 20 and 30% when you're not using them. You can make a cheaper battery last you a long time. So, all right, folks. Well, folks, thank you so much for watching. If you see, I've got the 7-channel Lemon RX Gen 2, and then the satellite right there, not stabilization of any type, just regular, just a 7-channel receiver. So, but there you go, folks. That is the Avanti S 80mm by FREEWING, and flying her in practice for the hopefully tomorrow's maiden of the FMS 90 Avanti S. So a little bit of flight practice for it. That's a good looking plane. Now see how she's rocking back without the battery? Well, they thought of that. that bottom skid underneath that tail down there is plastic. It's all plastic, so that's not going to hurt that to rock back on its skin like that. So if you're sitting it on the floor or something, you know, or stand, now the nose comes off, or you can stand it on the nose because this is all plastic here, or you can take the nose off and stand it flat on the front of the nose in a corner somewhere. So all right, folks, well, God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, God is great. And that is the Avanti 80mm S from FREEWING. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then sport jets. Bye-bye.